Good morning, everyone. Happy Friday. I'm filming this on a Friday, not sure what day you are watching this on, but today we got an Ikea delivery this morning. It's only 9 a.m. They came at around 8:30, I think. So we've got lots of boxes to go through. We actually got mainly living room furniture and then something for the kitchen as well. So I'm gonna share with you all of that. Hopefully we managed to assemble all of it today. We're gonna give it our best shot. So yeah, I think I'm going to again try to assemble myself as much as I can because my husband's also working today. So he might help me out on his lunch break or while Victor naps, if he naps, fingers crossed. So that's what we're going to attempt today, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know. Okay, so here are a few. These are for the TV stand, all of them I think. And then this one is the, let me see, this one is the Kallax unit to go with Victor's, like with these baskets right here for his choice. So that's gonna be for that. And then let me see, this one is a bench that we got for the kitchen. Hopefully that's gonna look nice. This is part of the TV stand. Victor's over here playing and he's watching a little bit of Peppa Pig as well.
Please sit down.
Mommy, sit down. Do you want to play together?
Okay.
And then I think that's for the TV unit as well. This is to go in here in this closet. It's like the under the stairs cupboard storage area. So it's this it's this for hanging clothes. We thought this would be nice for, oh, let's put it down then, okay? Look.
Mommy,
That's what it looks like. I see. We're gonna put clothes on that. This should be easy to assemble. It looks quite simple.
Mommy, I need cow.
Okay, we'll open it in just a second. And then this one is a shoe storage unit. And then this is going to hook the TV to the TV unit so that it's nice and secure.
Mommy,
and I think...
My turn, Mommy.
Is it your turn?
Okay.
Okay, go ahead. Hello. Say cheese.
Cheese.
Well done, Victor.
With the white taking. Mommy, cheese. Say cheese.
Cheese.
Yes, that's mine.
Okay, is it Mommy's turn?
Okay. There you go.
Thank you.
Sharing.
Good sharing. High five. Well done. Okay, shall we build this one first?
Okay.
Okay, let's give it a go. Well, this is quite easy. Victor's actually helping me with it. Just need to put those two, and then these are the legs. Wow, you did it! High five! See, this one goes in here.
One. Okay.
Okay, that's all done. It was very simple to do. It took a bit more than it should have because I had help. Yeah, so it actually takes longer when you've got help, the help of a toddler, but I try to I don't want to discourage him in helping us. It's just, you know, he needs a lot of patience, especially because he's quite strong-willed, so he wants to do everything himself, which obviously he's a bit too little, so he can't do it, and then he gets frustrated. So it's definitely a patience test, but he really helped me do that. He actually fit most of the things in the slots, so he really enjoyed doing that. So that's going to go in here, which I'm not sure if I can show you right now. Don't think there's any space, but so you can't really see in there at the moment, but there's basically a pile of shoes and clothes and random things like that. So I was gonna do the shoe rack next, but because he's having fun with it, I'm just gonna leave it until later. So I think I'm gonna do the kitchen bench maybe and see how that goes, because that should be quite easy as well. So let's give it a go.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know one single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around.
Okay, bench is done. I just need to flip it around. So I've pulled the table and chairs. So this is where the bench is gonna go, in that nook right there. I have measured before, so hopefully it fits nicely in there. I think it looks perfect in there. We just need some cushions on there or something just to kind of make it a nice soft seat. But I think it looks really lovely. It fits really well. So I'm gonna pull the chairs and table there and see what it looks like. Oh, that's perfect. I think it looks so nice. Look at that. Yeah, I'm not sure what you guys think, but I think it looks so lovely. And when we have a cushion, it's going to be even more comfortable. So now we have more seats at the table, which is really nice. And I really love the nook there in the window. I'm so happy with that. So that's done. It was quite easy to put together. I'm so happy with that. I think it looks so nice. So let's see what else we can do.
But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around.
Okay, so this is the shoe storage all done. It was actually, it took a little bit longer than I thought, but it was not too difficult to put together. Yeah, so it's kind of got slanted shelves to put your shoes on. So this shoe storage, along with that clothes rack, they're both gonna go in that under the stairs cupboard. So I have measured beforehand, so hopefully they do fit nicely, because you never know with these things, but I think I measured properly, so hopefully they fit in nice. So I'm gonna take all the stuff out of the cupboard and then show you what it looks like. I'm kind of debating whether I want to show you what it looks like in there or not, but just to keep it real, I think I'm just gonna show you. It's quite embarrassing. So it basically just became a dumping ground ever since we moved. So there's shoes all in there, there's clothes that need to be hung up, there's bags thrown on the floor along with backpacks. So I need to do a really big tidy up. I'm gonna take everything out of here, and then I've also got the Hoover and then the mop in there as well. So I'm gonna take all of this out, and then the shoe storage is supposed to go there, and then the rack is supposed to go here. So fingers crossed it works as expected.
Keep it to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing. But I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love.
So the under the stairs area is done. We almost had a bit of drama with the shoe storage, didn't we?
I managed to get it in.
We thought it wouldn't fit because the entrance, this part right here, is a bit smaller than that part. So it was quite tricky to get it in, but I don't know how, but somehow he managed to get it in. It's skill, huh?
Yeah.
We're now working on the Kallax unit. It's a shelf unit for these baskets right here. And it's nice because I've got more help now. My two boys.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
Ta-da! It's all done. Nice and finished for all of Victor's toys. I'm gonna need to organize the baskets because it's all thrown in there, and then also there's lots of toys there on his play kitchen. But yeah, that's what it looks like. We need to put some decor up there, nicely coming together, and then I really like the way this looks now. There's just so much more storage in there. I love it so far. Yes, I think we're gonna do the TV unit after his bedtime. He's probably gonna go down quite early at probably 6:30 again, because he actually woke up at 7 a.m. this morning, which is new. It hasn't happened in a while. He's been waking up at 5 or 6 a.m. So he woke up at 7 a.m. this morning and he didn't want to have a nap. So he's definitely going to be tired quite soon tonight. So after he goes to bed, we're gonna do the TV unit. Just a bit tired now, so we're gonna take a break. We had lunch. I think we might go on his bike a little bit.
I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't.
It is a pizza party. Pizza party on Friday night.
Mommy.
Yes. Do you want me to cut up some more for you?
Okay.
Which one?
This one.
This one? Is this one the best?
Okay, best.
Okay, I'll cut it up.
But feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever. Forever.
Okay guys, I didn't get a chance to finish my vlog last night because it was so late when we finished the furniture that we built here, and we were just exhausted, so I didn't get a chance to finish my vlog. So I thought I would just kind of give you a look of the final, like the finished product and my vlog. So here is what it looks like. I really love this piece of furniture. I think it's really nice for the living room, and it's quite high up. So this part has got shelves. You can customize these on their website to however you want them to be. It's got two holes in here, which I'm gonna put some baskets. It's a bit of piece of fluff there, and then it's got some drawers in here, and then another part with shelves. So it's really lovely. And we also got the stand, this thingy, I'm not sure if you can tell, which comes separately, which is really nice because then the TV is stuck to the piece of furniture so it can't fall. So for obvious reasons for Victor, I just feel like it's safer this way. And then we also got the LED lights in the back from Ikea as well. We actually thought when we bought them, we thought it would be long like this. It said 2 meters on the packaging, so this is, I think it's about 2 meters, maybe it's a bit more. So we thought that would be enough, but in fact 2 meters is just the cable, like the one that goes to the socket. So that was quite disappointing. It's just that piece, so we're gonna need probably 2 more of those just so that it goes all the way. But I think it looks really lovely. So I hope you guys enjoyed putting together furniture with us all day, and I hope you guys are having a great day. Bye!